Good morning everyone, welcome to day 7 of my South Africa adventure. I give you a tour of the property I stayed at today. Morning. This is a urban glamping in St. Lucia. You have beautiful orchids all over the property. Hello, my friend.
It's like, yeah, that's how interesting you are. I love that.
Now we are friends. Oh yes. It is now time to go see some hippos and crocs. They're using this old dock for launching safari boats. This old fishing dock has become a sanctuary for yellow beaver birds. No, don't crash into their homes, please. I see hippos. I saw at least 3 of them. Hippos disappear in the water. They submerge for more than 5 minutes. And you never know where they're gonna appear next, but our guide was very good. He knew how to track them and will bring the boat right where they're going to appear. There's a massive croc. I've been told there are more than 2,000 crocs in this area. Crocs and hippos live together in these waters. Crocs are not afraid of any animals except hippos. We are hanging out here having coffee and snacks on the boat. Enjoying the company of hippos.
Kids running wild and free. Wind whispers through the trees. Hearts light as a feather. We're all in.
They don't mind us hanging out here with them. We are very close, maybe about 3 meters away. Very cool. There is another group of hippos. By the way, a group of hippos is called Bloat. Oh, look at that guy. He's doing acrobats. He was upside down. Oh my god. There's a baby there. Oh wow. Let's see if he comes out again. There it is. Wow, that was so cool. This is the end of our water safari, but what an amazing day. We saw so many hippos. I am taking you out on a little tour of the town. On the right hand side is the river or the lake. So hippos come out of there at night and they'll be grazing here on these streets. People are advised not to be walking around in these streets because there are no lights, and you come across a hippo grazing and you startle them, and that's when the trouble starts. Looks like they dropped some food. That's not good. Last night I saw some really fancy homes. Look at that. Yeah, talk about that. That is a nice house. Nice sign. Beautiful signs. This is the end of the town. It's a small island town with a couple of main streets and a few offshoots, but that's about it. We are here at the Jabula Beach. Right in front of us is the Indian Ocean. What a beautiful, clean, sandy beach. The water is warm. Wow. There's a gang of tough bikers enjoying little R&R on a beach. Let's go check out some of the sand dunes. St. Lucia has the world's largest vegetated sand dunes. This is very fine and densely packed sand. Your feet do not sink in. Oh no, somebody lost a balloon. We were enjoying the locally caught trout when we got the report that hippos are out. Look at me, I'm so cute. Hippos look cute, but they're very dangerous animals. They kill more people in Africa than any other animal. There are more than 1,300 hippos in St. Lucia estuary. So they just take over the streets of the town. You have to be very careful when leaving your house. And you cannot wander around in town at night. Well, the good news is that people of St. Lucia do not have to mow their lawn. Hippos do it for them. This is an everyday scene at St. Lucia. There are so many hippos grazing all over the town. All the homes in St. Lucia have these tall walls and tall gates, just because of the hippos. Alright friends, this was an amazing ending to day 7. Tomorrow we head over to KZN Battlefields. We will stop at Mandela capture site, now a museum, before reaching our final destination in Dundee. It should be an exciting day, and I am looking forward to seeing the Mandela Museum. And I hope you join me in that adventure.